People often ask me, what's the highest paying skill to learn? After watching industries evolve for years, I've realized something important. The highest paying skills are the ones that help people solve expensive problems and create real value. Skill number one, AI implementation and automation. Companies are adopting AI rapidly, but most don't know how to use it effectively. If you can automate workflows, improve productivity, and help businesses save time and money using AI tools, you'll be valuable in almost every industry. Skill number two, sales and persuasion. No matter how good a product or idea is, it needs someone who can communicate its value. People who can build trust, influence decisions, and turn opportunities into results are consistently among the highest earners. Skill number three, content creation and personal branding. We live in a world where attention is one of the most valuable assets. The ability to create content, share knowledge, and build a personal brand can open doors to careers, businesses, partnerships, and opportunities worldwide. Skill number four, problem solving and critical thinking. Information is becoming easier to access, but clear thinking is becoming rarer. Businesses pay well for people who can analyze situations, make smart decisions, and solve complex problems that others struggle to handle. Skill number five, communication. Your knowledge has limited value if you can't express it clearly. The ability to speak confidently, write effectively, and connect with people multiplies the value of every other skill you possess. Don't try to master all five at once. Choose one skill, practice it daily, stay consistent even when progress feels slow. Because one valuable skill developed patiently over time can completely change the direction of your life.